of the Jupiter 2 Inspired Theater Media Room. We've been doing some mudding, as you can see on the soffits, and you can see how nice and clean the first coat's going, and also on the sides of the ribs. We also have, as you can see, the tracks running on both, and these are all on both sides, all the way on all the ribs. Again, more soffit mud and tape, more soffit mud and tape. Starting to add a little more layers to the mud to thin things out a little bit more. Same thing up through here, nice and clean. Same thing right here on the sides. Again, all the track is there for the diffusing material. So we'll let that dry a little bit. As you can see, we're starting to smooth everything out on the ribs. Again, more mud for the soffits. Over here, more mud. Again, more rib, more track. And this you can really appreciate. There's the circle being smoothed. So as you can see, it's getting more and more like a circle. And pretty soon all of the edges will disappear and it'll just have a nice, clean, smooth edge. So it's looking really, really nice. And then also, we got the sheetrock up on the pocket door. Saw the frame yesterday. Now the sheetrock's up on the pocket door. And this is going to butt up against the rib nice and clean right there. And then this is the outside garage door here. And as you can see, as it opens fine. But then when you close it, the pocket door is going to sit right like this, right in front of it. And it'll look just like a pressure door. And then we have enough room here to put the three little fire extinguisher looking things and the box and all that stuff. Now, normally in the Jupiter 2, this wall would be where your flight recorder, tape deck, and the seismograph would be. On mine, it's smaller, so over here will be the flight recorder, and I'll put the gyro here on the bottom. And then this will be the porthole right here, and then this will be the electronic board wall. So we won't have a seismograph, and they won't be side by side. They'll be stacked on top of each other because of the size. Here you can also see the back area where it blends real nice into now with this soffit, and the ceiling then comes in real nice and clean here. So just more and more layers, and more layers, and more layers, and then when that's all done and we're happy with it, then it's going to be sanding, and sanding, and sanding, and sanding, and then texturing, and there you go. So stay tuned for the next episode.